The next divine name is Al-Mutakabir, which means the proud. Pride only belongs to Allah, the Exalted, due to His supreme and infinite majesty, greatness, glory and magnificence which are free from any faults or defects. No creation should adopt pride, as in reality they have nothing to be proud of. Anything good they possess has been created and granted to them by none other than Allah, the Exalted. The inspiration, knowledge, strength and opportunity to perform good deeds and refrain from sins only comes from Allah, the Exalted. Pride must be avoided, as anyone who possesses even an atom's worth of it shall enter hell. This is confirmed in a narration found in Sahih Muslim, number 266. As being proud befits only Allah, the Exalted, Muslims should therefore adopt humility. This humility should be shown by fulfilling the commands of Allah, the Exalted, refraining from His prohibitions, and by facing destiny with patience. This is a vital aspect of servanthood to Allah, the Exalted, which is the greatest station a Muslim can reach. Whoever shows such humility for the sake of Allah, the Exalted, will be raised in rank by Him. This is confirmed in a narration found in Sahih Muslim, number 6592. One should show humility without weakness towards others for the sake of Allah, the Exalted, and never believe themselves to be better than others, as the end result of their life or the lives of others is unknown. An aspect of humility is to accept the truth and act on it irrespective of who it comes from. Over 400 free ebooks, audiobooks, infographics, podcasts and blogs available on our website, www.shakepod.com.